Sige. Okay. This is Edison and one of the principal trainer of Fast Track. I am Edison. And eto, kakatapos lang natin ng workshop, no? So we are here at Benito's Restaurant and yeah, I have two student here from Fast Track 3 and they enroll sa batch 4. Okay, so sige, what's your name?
Ako si Dennis Philip Pereira. Isa po ako sa owner ng My Native Bags. Basically, ako po yung kasama ko.
Ako si Mark Mercado, MJ Mercado, one of the co-owners of My Native Bags Philippines, and we've been enrolled in Fast Track.
Okay, speaking of bags, di ba before kayo mag-enroll sa Fast Track, you are already doing the bags, okay? So, ano ang nagawa ng Fast Track for you, okay, sa business yung bags?
Yung Fast Track, kung masasagot.
Sige.
Yung Fast Track, it has helped us to market yung products namin and yung website na... Let me continue. As I was saying, we have a website that has been up for more than 4 years now.
So we continue on. You were saying about offshoot ideas from your e-commerce store, which becomes very successful through sales transition using Fast Track modules, no? But because of that, more come out, and then
yes.
what is it?
As I was saying, we are in the process of completing the contents of SME Cyber Guide. From its name, it's SME for small and medium enterprises. Cyber guide, so online guides for the startup business, but we want to focus on yung infrastructure nila.
That's your next project.
That's our next project.
And you got that because of continuous learning with the Fast Track?
Fast Track, yes.
Talaga, you're seeing things because of your exposure with that? Yes.
Basically, ang nangyari kasi, more and more people pa rin ang nagtatanong sa amin. More on doon sa IT side na yun. Advanced na IT side na basically anong pwedeng tools na makatulong na nasa computer para sa mga business. Yun ang nakita namin na magandang pwedeng bigyan ng consultation para doon.
I see. So when is it going to be launched? You're developing?
We're still developing it. We want to finish it by October of this year. But that's just a soft target. But we're working on it because we're still working on My Native Bags, and we're coming up with new designs. So medyo busy rin dun sa pag-design at pag-produce ng bagong bags.
I see. Let's go to other projects. You are also doing perishable products online, no?
Yes.
What is this, sir?
I've also started Chocolate Abe. It's chocolateabe.com. And I'm selling right now. I'm still working on the website, but I'm selling through Facebook through my friends. Actually, I delivered a bouquet of chocolates, which was ordered from my former colleague, which is currently in New Zealand. So he asked me to send the bouquet to his girlfriend in Taft Avenue. So ganun talaga e-commerce eh. So and then yung payment was just transferred to me via BPI. So ganun kabilis yung transaction.
So you're seeing yun na nga yung module natin, the business idea that I was talking about, with perishable products, no? Allow the world to buy it from you, but let the delivery become available within the radius, no, that it is allowed, no, before it becomes so perish. Question: how did you deliver it?
For the bouquet, since I'm still starting up, I delivered it myself. But last week, I used Send Express to deliver 2 orders of chocolate sponge from Parañaque to Fairview.
Oh, so, and it was through a courier.
It was.
So following day delivery?
Yes, next day delivery. And what I used was yung envelope mailer, insulated bubble wrap, which is very cheap. It's sold in a bookstore, popular bookstore in
Natutunaw ang tsokolate, right?
Yes, but what I did was in-research ko muna siya overnight. And pati yung lalagyanan, naka-ref din siya. So malamig na siya. And then basta lahat ng ginamit ko na packaging is nasa loob ng refrigerator to ensure na kung medyo mainit man yung pagdadalhan niya, hindi ganun kalaki yung pagkatunaw.
I see. Merong effect, pero hindi naman na-perish
So,
totally.
hindi naman na-perish.
Okay. So, let's go back to My Native Bags, no, which is yung pinaka-primary na project ninyo na na-include sa Fast Track, no? I hope you don't mind. Una, yung experience nyo in learning with Fast Track and with Mr. Edison Victorino. Can you, did you enjoy it? Did you nosebleed ba kayo?
Yeah.
Ano nangyari?
Actually, for us,
It's not just about learning. What do you feel, no?
kami masaya dahil
Kulit yun eh.
Maraming
Marami.
natutunan din kasi kung nandun ka na sa IT industry, napaka-advanced na nung alam mo, minsan mahirap i-unlearn eh. So maganda yung natututunan mo yung mga basics kasi I've been with the IT industry for the past 5 years in the technical support and IT outsourcing industry. So yung mga alam ko is more on corporate stuff, yung mga technical stuff like tearing down computers and building computers. So yung mga hardcore hardware, yun yung specialty ko eh.
So what happened? With Fast, bakit pagdating sa Fast Track, anong nangyari sa'yo?
Sa Fast Track kasi yung mga hindi ko pa alam na kailangan kong i-apply sa business, natutunan ko lahat. Yung marketing na gusto kong matutunan, yung paggawa ng website, to be honest, nakatipid kami. Kasi way back 2009, we hired one of isa namin kakilala, we paid like 40,000 pesos just to develop the site. Dahil kulang kami sa oras. But right now, kami na yung gumagawa ng site. And kung may gusto man kami changes, at that moment, maisip namin, gusto ko itong baguhin natin. Makita agad namin. Up yung site, meron kaming testing site din. So makita namin agad yung changes. Unlike before na, we have to wait 1-2 weeks. Tapos nung nag-decide na siya na hindi niya na gustong mag-pursue ng web design, nandun na kami, nakahangga lang kami.
That is very normal sa mga freelance web designer, web developer. So, yeah, ano pa yung nakuha? How about in terms of web development? Compared sa traditional na web designing na pang IT.
Yeah,
What
you're
are
an
the-
IT, your system.
Basically, dumalik kasi ang nangyari is, ginawa ng Fast Track is, nag-present sila ng mga ng system kung saan mas naging focus mo is yung ma-set up mo yung store rather than i-set up mo yung website.
Yung store. You are
Store
focused
mismo.
on store and the e-commerce, the trading.
Yes.
You trade, no? Okay, so yun ang pinaka-nakita mo.
Kasi ang masakit kasi kung mag-build ka sa start, focus mo yung website, mas matagal i-develop yung site. Dapat dun sa kung ang focus mo na talaga yung store. So, mabilis lang talaga yung
I see. And did you have, alam mo, Dennis is like a serious guy, no? And you're quiet.
Yeah, he's a programmer.
He's a programmer. He's, a handsome geek, no? It's more of a behind-the-scene kind of nerd guy who, at the end of the day, make things happen online, Except at this point, medyo lumalabas na siya. And you're bonding with the team, no? And then that's what I want to know from you. It's not just about learning, diba? It's also what to you. Kasi you're mingling, you're bonding.
Tumataas namin ang socialization kasi ang naging kong talagang focus is IT, technical side. So, dito sa Fast Track, so, lumabas na yung necessity na kailangan mo talaga ng social skills dahil doon mo makikita na importante ang sales, importante ang marketing,
Relationship.
importante yung customer building.
Buti nakita mo sa Fast Track yun. Or sa I don't want it to call community, no? But ibig ka barkada. Nangyari na lang nung di nating sinasadya, no? But you're exposed to the community in a way. And then, what did you say about the group, no? Yung mga wackiness of this so-called community chuchu.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa Fast Track courses kasi most of the courses that I've taken previously, kasi mahilig ako mag-enroll sa mga seminars, Pagkatapos ng seminar, at the end of the day, yun na yun eh. But with Fast Track, there is a Fast Track secret group. Pero hindi na secret, dahil podcast to. But then, when you enroll into the Fast Track group, you become automatically a member of that secret group. And dun sa group na yun, may mga nag-generate na mga ideas, mayroong mga business opportunities ka na nakita na it has been staring you in the face for so long na you just have to ask dun sa group and then makikita mo na nandun na pala sa harap mo yung opportunity. And supportive lahat yung mga members ng group dahil pag kami tinanong ka, ikaw na magsasawa, nakakabas dahil ang daming suggestion.
Naumay ka. Nangyayari sa atin yan, so many bright people are within the group, And then we meet, and then nagsasama-sama tayo dito sa Benito's Kitchen. We eat a lot of pizzas.
In White Plains.
In White Plains, yes. And then we had great time among, hindi lang siya yung offline, and what is your experience? We are not just online, we're also offline. No? So what is your experience with the offline people?
Nakakatuwa. Kasi this is for Fast Track 3 sa amin ni Dennis. This is the first time that we came to Benito's. Previously, it was with another location. But right now, tuwan-tuwa kami and we also are honored to meet Sir Christian. Who is the owner for Benito's Kitchen and Create Your Space. And nag-enjoy rin kami dun sa photoshoot. Kasi nakakatuwa yung mga creative shots.
Yes, so we have that activities when we meet. Aside from learning together, eating together, bonding together, playing around together, being wacky together, then you meet the online personally in our new hub here at White Plains Benito's Kitchen or Create My Space.biz.
Create Your Space. Create Your Space.biz.
Hindi ba ko na naman? Sa kaya sila pupunta? Create Your Space.biz.
Bago ang business.
Diba? So, that's about it, for the interview of our new recommended e-commerce consultant. They finished the course with a successful sales transition. And they have been exporting My Native Bags, or native bags worldwide, and specifically in New York. Alam mo, ang taas ng standard ng New York, and Chicago. And thank you very much. And you close the... invite people.
Very good, yeah. Sige, we are inviting you on September 9. So that would be another batch for Fast Track.
It's called Fast Track 5.
The evolution.
The
Because that's
evolution.
the evolution because it seems that everything is evolving.
Yeah, there's a lot of changes happening, So kayo, would you recommend, not because I'm in front of you, yung totoo lang, it's an opportunity that you can use right now if you have friends, maybe you can invite them if you feel like inviting them, okay? Pag hindi naman, then siraan nyo na kami harapan. At least hindi nyo kami kailangan i-backbite. What can you say as last word,
For Fast Track, it's a really good opportunity na present sa amin. Basically, doon namin nalaman ang mga kulang namin para in terms of running our own business online. So basically, yeah, it's a recommendable course. Kasi basically, it's all-rounder. So mula sa non-technical to technical, makikita niyo yung mga necessary na kailangan nyo rin malaman talaga.
How about you?
This is MJ again. I highly recommend Fast Track 5 because it would be a big investment on your part if you're starting up your online business as well as your offline business. Kasi dito sa Fast Track, you will have a lot of opportunities and you would meet a lot of very generous people. Kasi doon pa lang sa Fast Track, meron ng libre kami sa batch namin Fast Track 3. We were fortunate enough to have free online hosting and our own domain, subdomain via Cloud Pinay. So the group has a lot of generous donors and members.